Hi everyone, and welcome to Bojan Cybersecurity. In this channel, I share cybersecurity threat concept, methodology of cyber attacks, threat detecting method, and also internet security data privacy tips. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and make sure you click on the subscribe button so you won't miss any future video like this one. In this video, we are going to use Nmap to scan a Kali Linux machine, this Kali Linux machine, and also to identify all services that are running on this machine. In order to scan this Kali Linux machine, we have to know exactly the IP address of this machine. So the best way we can find it is to use ifconfig. The best way to find it is to use ifconfig command to see the IP address that's gonna allow us to communicate with this machine. As you can see, guys, it's 192.168.203.129. So keep in mind that we're gonna use that machine in order to scan it. So on our paired machine, we're gonna open a terminal. You can see, guys, on the description I put the flag that works with Nmap for specific services you want to identify. The first flag we are going to use with Nmap is capital P to scan all port on that machine and also the IP address of this machine. As you can see, guys, we have to know exactly the IP address of this machine in order to do the scanning part. It's gonna show us exactly what port is running on this machine and how we can utilize them in order to access that machine. As you can see, this machine has an open port, which is port 2022. So the next parameter we can use is the parameter A. What it's gonna do for us is gonna enable the OS and allow us to find exactly what operating system is running on this machine. As you can see, we already know the IP address of this machine. This is very good. That allows us to scan this machine without any problem. Let's wait for Nmap to scan this machine using the parameter A. That's gonna enable for us on the OS, the operating system, and also the version of this machine. As you can see, we have the OS details, which is Linux 4.15, and also we have one hop, which is a one network interface. This is the IP address of this machine. And also it is a Linux kernel, so it's running on a VM. You see how powerful Nmap is, guys? Nmap allows you to identify every services that's running on a specific computer. That's what we are doing now. So you have other script. If you want, you can use on the flag Nmap -S and capital C with the IP address of this machine, guys. And also you have 129. And let's say, for example, you want to do a sync on this machine. What you can do, you can use on the parameter the flag SS -S capital S on that machine. It's gonna tell you exactly if you can, how you can sync. Okay, 203 and 129. TCP SYN port scan. So let's wait for the result. Sometimes it's gonna take some time to do it. Here we go. Okay, as you can see, we have one host up, 999 closed port. So the state of the service we have open is still port 22, which is a SSH. if it is a command, that's a terminal that allows you to remotely access on any device, guys. And this port is open right now. And as you can see, we are using a VMware platform and OS on Linux installed on that machine, on that VMware. Next video, we are going to see to use a Go Booster tool, which is one of the powerful tools if you want to brute force a computer or a URL or a domain, and you can use that command. On our next video, we will focus on using it. That way we can leverage, we can brute force any directories on a URL or of a website. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you won't miss this future video where we're gonna use a Go Booster tool that's gonna leverage us to brute force that machine. So thank you guys for watching this video. That's conclude our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video.